Here's how to get a discount on Canva Pro. So there's two options you're going to have here when you click the link in the description. It'll take you to this page where you can either A, get Canva Pro 50% off for the first 3 months. That's kind of the deal they're running right now, which is one of the best deals I've seen them run. Or number two, you could probably just get a free trial. So there would be like a 30-day free trial if they're not running this deal anymore. Depends on when you've seen this video. Either way, you get to try Canva for free, or at least try it for 50% off for 3 months, maybe longer if you enjoy all the features. Canva Pro has, in my opinion, the best background removal tool. That's sort of what they're showing right here in the business. It doesn't matter if it's Photoshop or anything else. Canva has the best background remover tool. There are tons of other Pro options. I pay for Pro yearly. You get all the different AI features. Anywhere you see one of these little icons where it's like a crown, basically those features within Canva, which is free to use, any feature like that is Canva Pro. So they're kind of locked behind Canva Pro. There's certain things like saving transparency or print ready material, etc. Canva code, you can actually create things like websites and other apps, and also the Magic Studio. Basically, Magic Studio is all their AI features wrapped into one. But yeah, Canva is currently offering 50% off for the first 3 months. It's a huge discount. My affiliate link is in the description or top comment down below. It'll click through to this page where you can actually get that discount. Now, it might just be the free trial potentially whenever you see this video, but at least for the next couple days, Canva is on a huge 50% off discount. So go check it out. That's Canva Pro, 50% off for your first 3 months.